Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Furious Owl. Today we're making Dalgona coffee. This is the latest hot trend in coffee around the world. The word Dalgona is actually a Korean word that refers to sugar sponge candy. Let's see how to make it. First, we need instant coffee. Here we have the Nescafe Classical. We also need fresh milk and brown sugar. In a mixing bowl, place 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Next, whisk the entire mixture for approximately 2 to 3 minutes and until foamy. You want to have this consistency at the end. In a cup, pour milk to half full. If milk is not your thing, you can also substitute with soy milk or almond milk. Then, spoon in the mixture that we just made. The mixture should stay on top because the air we stirred into the mixture. And just to decorate, place some instant coffee bits on top. Here you go! A cup of rich Dalgona coffee. Make sure to give it a try at home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to be notified for future videos, please subscribe to Furious Owl Studio.